What's up, you beautiful people? We're back after 60 days of not riding because it was Lent. So I had decided not to ride during Lent time. I was riding office, but not leisure. It was more like work. So yeah, I've got a new setup though. I've got a new fog lights. I've got the MG, that is a Motor Genius VK-V70 Pro. I'll show you the throw. You won't be able to see it much now because a lot of lights on the road. However, very excited for today's ride because after 2 years we are doing this ride. We are headed to Velas, the Velas Turtle Festival in Ratnagiri district. First stop will be, as always, you may know that, you all will know, stop at Don Bosco Matunga to pray, and post that I'll be headed to Sakinaka to my friend Christopher's place because he's riding with me for the second time. He's riding with LRMC. Oh yeah, this ride is with LRMC. So yeah, I'm panting right now because I've got a very bad cold and a blocked nose as well. So yeah, so headed to Christopher's place. He stays in Andheri Sakinaka, and once we are done, I'll be helping him mount his stuff and everything. We'll be heading off to the meetup point, that is Kharghar. Tire pressure check, fuel filled, everything done. We're all set to go, guys. Very excited, super excited actually. I just hope the camera angle is proper, as well as the mic. I've changed the mic setup again. First I didn't have a mic, then I had one mic, then I've got another mic now. Hopefully I have a cousin in Dubai, Mr. Arvind Anand Bhai Bala Subramaniam. Whenever he's coming next, I'll tell him to get me the DJI mic mini. Here it cost 9 grand, there it cost 6.5 or something. So yeah, much cheaper over there. So I'll get it much cheaper over there. So yeah, shout out to my cousin Arvind Anand Bala Subramaniam because he keeps watching all my vlogs and he keeps commenting also. Like, that's amazing. Having a busy schedule and still supporting your younger brother. Very good, brother. Very good. OP. Okay, guys, I shall see you all on the way. बहुत बक कर लिया मैंने. थोड़ा चलाता हूँ, थोड़ा भगाता हूँ, थोड़ा रेमटाता हूँ. See ya, guys. So, guys, here you can see the difference in the lights. I'll switch them off and switch them on again. Here and here. The Lord said, "Let there be light," and there was light. Hallelujah. We are almost in Kurla right now. We are in Chunabhatti Kurla के बीच में. My friend from college, friend, very good friend, Jay Shinde था ना तू? Batuk. Should call him Batuk. He lives somewhere around here. Maddie also lives over here only. पता चला मैं इधर जा रहा, मैडी सामने से आ रहा है. Hey! Booey! Big speed breaker. Unwanted speed breaker. Hey, see. These are what I like. This is what I like. High beam. ले. मेरा high beam तेरे ले. तू भी मेरा high beam ले. तू तो ये ले. Fuck, his face was amazing. His face was mind blowing. देखने लायक शक्ल था उसका. If only all cement mixers were like Daisy from Bob the Builder. Ah, क्या ही मजा आता. Daisy was so sweet and scared. These idiots, they are not scared of anyone. Chiquero, bailamos. Thank you, Rickshawala. Very nice Rickshawala. Oh, another Daisy. D2. AC 2.0. There's enough lights here. Now we can switch off the lights. Oh yeah, I love these fog lights, man. Hands down, I love them. अल्फा तब गया गड्ढे में. अल्फा फ्लैश नहीं कर सकते. अल्फा सिर्फ फोकस है. ये स्प्रेड और फोकस दोनों मिल रहा है मेरे को. हाँ, अल्फा सिर्फ फ्लैश नहीं कर सकते. नहीं तो बहुत अच्छा लाइट है वो. एंड मैड डॉग अगेन. दोनों में सेम है. 1 साल का वारंटी है. Okay, I'm gonna sneeze now, guys. So just close your ears. Okay, no, the sneeze went. Yeah, the sneeze went. Got a really bad cold, so I won't be able to consume any cold drinks. I know what you were thinking, what I was going to say, but no, I will not consume any cold drinks and other drinks as well. Yeah. Yeah, quiero. The reason why I am so happy these days. Oh, these rides are amazing, man. The reason why I'm happy these days is because of one person. That person's initials are MKG. That's all you guys are gonna get. Yeah, she's amazing. And Zoe, obviously. And the fog lights. Whee! I'm already enjoying this ride alone. Now just imagine all of us connecting on the intercom and yeah, lights. Ooh. And what Buxody will do? Can't abuse. Can't abuse. Into hey! Nice. What a dodge. I dribbled past the holes. Just like Ronaldinho. Ronaldinho reminds me of how my brother destroyed me in FIFA last night. Anthony! We played Soccer Red versus Soccer Red. Actually, it didn't destroy me. It just defeated me 2-1 and 3-1. So yeah. And no matter what time of the day you come to Mumbai, you will always get traffic. That's the promise of Mumbai. I'm talking a lot, but that's fine. That's what is going to give you all content. So yeah, I'm almost there. I'm 11 minutes away from his place. I just hope the dogs in his building don't come behind me. I just hope. And I really hope my audio is getting recorded. Chipkana mat. It's not so bad. हर जगह ब्रिज बनाओ, हर जगह खोद दो और हमारे पीस और माइंड हेल्थ की माँ फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ये रुक जा भाई. रुक जा रे बंदे. ये रुक जा रे बंदे कि डैश फट पड़ेगी. ये someone become, I mean पानी है ना इधर तो someone will become wet. Okay, switching off the camera. A lot of bug done. Need to save battery for later on. See ya guys. See you on the way. I will see you all on the phone. See ya. So guys, right now we are. Guys, we are reached Christopher's Sakinaga place. Fog lights off. Music off. Oh, doggies, don't bite my pant today, please. Thank you, doggies. These doggies are a bit. Christopher's mother. My boy is there. She gets scared of everyone, but she's a sweetie cootie coo. What's up, guys? Right now I am at Christopher's place. I've reached here, like you might have seen in the previous shot. Zoe looks fabulous. That is Zoe. That is Nomad. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. He just got new fog lights today. So yeah, he's got the small ones. Like it's really good. It's really bad. Just got the projectors. Say hi to doggy. Doggy's here. Hey doggy. Waiting for Christopher. And we shall mount his stuff on the bike and head out. It's showing us 45 minutes. Let's see how much time it takes. We need to go slow. We need to reach Aram se. Not an issue, no hurry, no fast. Go slow. I'm not used to this camera thing in my hand. That's why my face is getting cut. Please bear with me. That's it. तू कल फुल टैंक किया ना? तो फुल बस करने बोलना उसको. क्योंकि that the solution that I put is for full tank. What's up, you beautiful people? We have left from Christopher's place. We are en route Shell petrol pump, which is just 100 meters away from his place. Christopher Shell fuel up because Shell is, as always, you might have seen it in my South Indian vlogs. The Shell being Shell, it's always open 24/7, and they have amazing fuel as well. And we are a bit late, but we should cover up. Yeah, that's fine. It was Christopher's first time, so he didn't know what to do, how to do what. He'll learn. Even I used to learn. So yeah, Shell. V-Power. तू भर में बाजू में खड़ा है. फुल कर दे. So guys, right now we are 35 minutes away from the first meetup. That is in Kharghar, Three Monkey Point, the standard, the cultural, or I don't know what. I'm just lost of words right now. The morning brain is not at 100% functionality. The main meetup point that we always have for all rides leading towards Lonavala, Pune, Goa, whatever. That side, south side. So yeah, we are 35 minutes away. Yeah, I think so, bro. So right now I'm connected with Christopher on the intercom as well. We have to take right now. I don't know maps. So guys, this is the power of my light. Yay! Khata. So right now we are on the road between Mankur and Washe. Christopher, please get your ass near me so I can show people your ugly face. Actually, take your time. Come around, say. We have the whole ride where I can show your ugly face, man, Nini. I was going to use the N word, but then I made it Nini. I don't know why. I can see a bunch of headlights behind me and your one yellow light in the center. Fudge. वैगनर वालों का भरोसा नहीं होगा. बाजू में से निकल के ओवरटेक कर. See, this is where I am. You can see me? अच्छा, okay. Do I look sexy? So guys, right now we are crossing Washe. We are at Washe. This is some biking group over here, not our biking group. Our boys are at. I see two of them ahead, but I don't think so. Those are our guys. Could be not. Not could be. Anything is possible. So let's see. अभी तो fog light चालू कर सकता है. Mary at the tail. Nimish at the tail. Prajot at the tail. And drone will be leading. Drone is there. So let's go, guys. Everyone's set. And all ready to go.
We are taking the JNPT exit. Lead. Drone. Oh, drone. इधर.
So right now, guys, we have left from the meetup point. Maddie is marshalling. Oh, without you. Bad roads, be careful. There's a beautiful Honda City here. Very nice, very well maintained. Just going to record some footage. He did that purposely because the camera was on. Beauty weather. आगे जा मेरा. Go ahead. I'll take a video. Go ahead. Nice background. Christopher, riding really well, bro, for the first time rider, and looking sexy as well. So, guys, look at the beautiful sunrise to my left. Beautiful sunrise to my left. बहुत टाइम के बाद मैं वो देख रहा हूँ फोर्स का ट्रैक्स. बहुत टाइम स्पीड ब्रेकर स्लो कर. लेफ्ट में ग्रेवल है संभाल रास्ते पे. And guys, right now we are exactly 3 hours away from our destination, 119 kilometers, estimated to reach by 9:56 a.m. But we'll be stopping for breakfast, so let's say we should reach by 11 a.m. Oh, what a beautiful road, man! I will not bagav. I will ride around. I will give mileage. I'm getting 38 ka mileage. What else do I require, bro? What else do I require? With occasional bhagaving, I'm getting 38 ka mileage. It's really great. The roads so far are really good. There's little bumps, small bumps, which is but obvious. And that is Nishit Matre giving me a flyby. That is Maddie giving me a flyby. Oh, look at the sun on the left. Look at the sun on the left. The sun is so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Whee! 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 नहीं हुआ यार. Whee! Whee! Yeah! Okay guys, I shall see you all at the breakfast point. There's not much to show you all, guys. Unless and until someone crashes into someone else. But not us, basically someone else. But yeah, I'm not hoping for that, not praying for that. Don't want any of that. Maybe. Yeah. Don't want any of that. Everyone should reach their destination safely. And back home also safely. And Christopher rides a little faster. Oh sorry, shit, he hurt me. हमारे उड़न खटोला. क्या 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 कुछ तो चालू था मेरा कैमरा चालू था. We are on this beautiful road, guys. Beauty. mountains to the left, mountains to the right, and rangers in the center. Rangers ruling the road to Velas. Uh, forever. I don't know where we are. We are on the ghat before Velas, before the ferry. We have some 10 kilometers to 8 to 10 kilometers away from the ferry. Roads are just beautiful. Like they're concrete, they're little up and down, but amazing, amazing turns. We full Top Gun Maverick scenes. Oh, stay you turn, Christopher. Slowly. Mind the gap in the road. हाँ? अरे वो कंक्रीट के बीच का गैप और एक मस्त टर्न है. These turns remind me of Koli Hills, Tamil Nadu, but those are more steep and sharp. सामने से डंपर आ रहा है. Beautiful creation of God यार. और monsoon में तो all these trees will be lit up with greenery यार. Amazing in monsoon. Damn, look on the right side. Damn, son. Damn, Daniel. Is my camera on? Yes, camera is on. Steep turn, very steep turn, very steep turn. फर्स्ट गियर में डाल और क्लच छोड़ दे. बहुत स्टीप है. हाँ. क्या हो गया भाई? ड्रोन ने फिर से घुमा दिया हम लोग को. मैंने रास्ता लिया सब. ब्यूटीफुल. द ferry is not there. No, I can't see the ferry in position. I can see Abhishek's car over there though. You can see the Pajero over there far in the distance. Yeah, yeah. गाड़ी फेंक दिया. आजा आगे आजा. अच्छा सही है सही है. Boys and girls, I give you something.
आपने कौशल नको जाऊ परपटात घेऊन जातील.
Very good. Confident enough. So guys, right now we are climbing, not climbing, boarding, not boarding. We are putting our bikes on the ferry.
हाँ अंदर बस 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 आगे बस मैं उधर डालूं पूजा
So guys, right now we are crossing the Strait of Hormuz.
कल मैं हम्पी के लिए निकलूंगा तो ये वापस क्रॉस करना पड़ेगा।
नहीं, इधर वो आगे से जाना है, दापोली से.
आगे जाओ
हाँ ये नहीं करना, ये आगे नहीं होगा।
निकल, मैं तेरा वीडियो निकाल रहा हूँ. So if you fall, it will be on camera. Let the car completely pass. So guys, we are right now in Velas, the coastal road of Velas, the beautiful Velas. Just so wow, just so wow. Just looking like a wow. So damn beautiful. It's so beautiful. रास्ता ही नहीं देखा मैंने. हेलो, आ रहा है ना? ठीक है. Hey, तू ही उसके ऊपर गया. Can you see the color difference in the? प्रज्योत के पास वो पाना रहेगा, उसको उससे लेते हैं.